So, are you looking for a great way to start your day that's good proteins, very low carb, got all the good stuff, the fiber and the nutrients, but not any of the bad stuff in it? Well, here's a great recipe that I wanted to share with you, and it's called Noatmeal. So, as you can see, I've already started my water boiling. There's a half a cup of water in here, and I just got it to the simmering point, and I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of hemp seed. So hemp seed is a great protein that is really good for you. Now, a tablespoon of flax meal. Now, if you don't have flax meal, you can always just take some flax and blend it in the blender, and another tablespoon of chia seed. And basically, we're just gonna stir these three together just to have it absorb the water and get warm. All right, let's move this out of the way. And we are going to go to our Noatmeal. I'm gonna put it in a bowl here, and I'll show you what we're gonna be doing here. So now I've got my bowl of Noatmeal. To this, we are going to add a few drops of stevia. Now, this is my stevia. I love stevia for sweetening. Some people say they don't really like the flavor, but I have found if you get the stevia drops, just add a few drops. For this, 6 to 8 drops, maybe a couple more is good. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, because the vanilla just, if you're not adding a lot of sweet, the vanilla makes it a really good flavor. Then I'm going to add 2 of my favorite essential oils for Noatmeal. The first one is cinnamon. I love cinnamon essential oil. It's so good, but you really only need a drop. Now, cinnamon is really good for immune boosting, immunity, digestion. Woo! And we got 1 drop there. And then I'm going to add ginger. Ginger is another really good essential oil for digestion and detox. Really good for digestion. You'll love the flavor. And you can also add like any of your citrus oils. Wild orange is good, tangerine, red or green mandarin. There's all kinds of essential oils that just bring out the flavor and makes it just really yummy. Now we're gonna add 3 more really yummy ingredients. First, I like to add a little bit of coconut cream. So we're gonna just kind of pour that on in the middle. A couple of tablespoons of coconut cream. I like to add some broken walnuts, which just makes it a little bit more nutty. And then last but not least, berries of your choice. I'm doing blueberries. Blueberries are one of my favorite. So here you've got this bowl of Noatmeal that is super yummy. Look at that, isn't that awesome? You'll love it, kids love it, adults love it, and it's not all the carbs. You can see this high fiber, high protein, high nutrient, very, very low carb breakfast can really give you that energy boost and start your day off right.